In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a TurboTax discount. Saving on your tax filing can definitely put a little extra cash in your pocket, so let's dive into this simple process that could make a big difference for your wallet. First, head over to the official TurboTax website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in TurboTax official site, or simply enter this URL, turbotax.intuit.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a variety of options and tools that TurboTax offers to make your tax filing experience smooth and hassle-free. But don't get distracted just yet, our goal here is to snag that discount. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This will allow you to access your account, or if you don't already have one, you can create it right here. Having an account is essential for accessing personalized recommendations and, importantly, your potential discounts, so log in or sign up to make sure you're set up properly. After signing in, navigate over to the TurboTax home. This is the hub where you'll manage your tax preparations and monitor any progress you've made. From the home screen, you'll see an array of features that TurboTax offers, but if you're already logged in, you should find yourself right at the door of savings opportunities. The next step is finding the referral rewards section. This can usually be found within your account settings or dashboard once you're logged into TurboTax home. When you click on referral rewards, you'll access a referral program that allows you to earn and share discounts through TurboTax. This is like finding a treasure chest, only it's filled with monetary savings for your tax filing. Once you're there, you'll see an option to copy link. This special link can be shared with friends, family, or anyone in your network. When they sign up using your referral link, you'll earn your discount and they might benefit from some savings as well. It's a win-win situation that doesn't require you to do anything extra but share and save. To wrap up, these straightforward steps open a path to savings through TurboTax's referral program. By simply using the resources available to you through the TurboTax platform, you can make this tax season a little easier on your finances. Remember to sign in, explore the TurboTax home, and use the referral rewards to maximize your benefits. With these steps, you'll be on your way to getting a solid discount come tax season. Thanks for joining me today, and happy saving.